Hi friends, now I'm going to discuss about the concept of how to create a table in SQL. So before going to that, we have to create a database, right? So for creating a database, we have to write like create database, and then we have to give the database name. So I'll be writing the database name as sales data. That is data, sales data. So I and I'll be executing this now. Yeah, it is successfully executed, and then I'll be using this database now. So for that I'll be writing as use database name. We have to give the database name, that is sales data, right? So after using after executing this, you can see the database name here. So here you can see the database name as sales data. So now now we'll be creating the table. So for creating the table, we have to write like create table, and then here we have to give the table name. So I'll be writing the table name as sales, and then we have to open the brackets here, and then here we have to enter the column names that we want to show in the table. So I'll be writing the column names as id, and then after writing the column name, we have to give the data type of it. So I'll be writing as int here, and next the next column name that I'll be selecting is, that I'll be writing is the product name, product. So I'll be writing like product category. I'll be writing like product category. It will be the best thing. So I'll be writing like the data type name as varchar of. We'll be choosing 30 here, and then we have to uh, and then the next column name that I'll be writing is the quantity. So quantity, and then we have to give the data type of it, right? So I'll be writing as int here, and then we will be closing these brackets with the semicolon. So here after executing this, yeah, now the table is created, and now the table is created successfully, and now I want to insert the data into it. So for inserting the data, we have to write like insert into, and then we have to give the table name here, that is sales, right? Sales. Yeah, insert into table name, and also next values. We have to write values here, and then we have to enter the data, like we have to open the brackets, and next we have chosen the first column as id. So I'll be writing as 1 here, and then the product category. So in this I'll be writing as electronics. So it is the data type of varchar, so we have to write it in the quotations, right? So electronics, right? electronics electronics, and then we have to give the quantity of it, like I'll be selecting as 40, and next we have to the next is we have to write the id again, like I'll be selecting as 2 here now, and then now I'll be selecting the category as clothing. and then we have to uh, give the quantity. So in this I'll be giving as 50, right? So in this way we have to insert the data into the table. Okay, so after executing this, you can see here, like, if you want to see the data, you should uh, you should write a select command, that is select select select. I want to see the all columns that are in the table. So I'll be writing a star here, and next select star from, and next here we have to give the table name, that is sales. So after executing this, you can see the table. So you can see right here the id names as, the column names as id, product category, and also quantity, and the data we have entered. So this is all about how to create the table and how to insert the data into the table.